If you already have a list of contacts and want to bring them into Pipedrive quickly, importing is the easiest way. In this guide, I'll show you how to import contacts into Pipedrive step by step. First, log into your Pipedrive account and go to the Contacts tab. This is where all your people and organizations are stored. Next, click the Import Data option. Pipedrive allows you to import contacts from a spreadsheet, like an Excel or CSV file. Now upload your contact file. Make sure your spreadsheet includes key details like name, email address, phone number, and company name. After uploading, you'll need to match your spreadsheet columns to Pipedrive fields. For example, map email to email and phone to phone number. Before importing, review your settings carefully. You can choose to skip duplicates or update existing contacts if they already exist in your system. Once everything looks correct, click Import. Pipedrive will process your file and add all your contacts into the system. After the import is complete, go back to your contacts list and verify that all your data has been added correctly. Finally, organize your contacts using labels, filters, and groups. Yeah, this makes it easier to manage leads and track relationships, and that's how to import contacts into Pipedrive. So once your data is in, you can start managing leads and building your sales pipeline more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.